Today I will explain about the mineral nutrition. Mineral nutrition. Today I will explain about the mineral nutrition. Mineral nutrition. Mineral nutrients. All living organisms have same type of mineral nutrients. Same type of mineral nutrients. That is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, nucleic acids. Same type of mineral elements, mineral nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, nucleic acids. These are the mineral nutrients. This lesson is explain about the essentiality of mineral nutrients, nitrogen cycle, mechanism of absorption of nutrients. First, methods to study the mineral requirements of plants. Mineral requirements of the plants. Methods to study the mineral requirement of plants. That is Julius von Sack developed the soil-free culture, hydroponic culture. Soil-free culture or hydroponic culture. Plants developed in the solution without soil is called hydroponics. The technique used by the nutrient solution plant growing without soil is called hydroponics. This is the plant nutrient solution aerating tube, water plus nutrients adding tube. These are the hydroponic plants. These hydroponic plants determine the all type of essential elements used in all type of essential elements. For example, some plants, some nutrients continuously flow into the nutrient medium. Some element is deleted. Some element is removed. That element is removed in deficiency symptoms appearance in plants. That is the essential element. The hydroponic plants developed in some plants, that is tomato, lettuce, seedless cucumber. This is the determination of essential elements of hydroponic plants. These are the hydroponic plants. Plants connect with cotton tube into the nutrient solution, and the aerating tube is present. And next one, it is continuously flow the nutrient solution, return to the tube, and plants absorb the nutrients. Some element is removed. More than the 60 types of elements in present in plant. But how many elements are essential for the plant? More than 60 types of elements present in the plant. But how many essential elements are how many elements are essential in the plants? Sometimes one element is removed, 59 elements are transferred into the nutrient solution. Plants appearance some deficiency symptoms, that element is essential element. That element is essential elements. For example, 59 elements are passed on. There is no deficiency symptoms. There is no deficiency symptoms in plants. That is not essential elements. That is not essential elements. So, hydroponic plants determine the essential elements. Essential elements. Next one. Essential mineral elements. Essential mineral elements. Most of the mineral elements plants absorbed by the soil. Most of the mineral elements present in the soil. Remaining CHO, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. It is from CO2 and H2O. Carbon from carbon dioxide, hydrogen from water, oxygen from carbon dioxide and oxygen, carbon dioxide and water molecule, remaining all elements present in the soil. Soil rocks withering, essential elements are formed. These are positive or negative charged particles. Soil is a reservoir of mineral elements. Soils supply to the plants water, some nitrogen fixing bacteria, fixes anchorage of plants. Remaining all are the essential transport to the plants from the soil. The lack of nutrients or absence of deficiency of nutrients supplied to the artificial in fertilizers. Next, criteria of essentiality. More than the 60 types of elements. Few are the essential elements. That is, essential elements follow the criteria. First one, that is participate in normal growth, and reproduction. That elements followed the normal growth and reproduction. They cannot present in the plant. The normal growth and reproduction is stopped. So, plant life cycle is incompleted. Incompleted. Seeds are not formed. This is the first criteria. Essential elements follow the participate in normal growth and reproduction. Second criteria. These are follow the no one can replace the essential element. That can replace the another elements that is not essential element. Third criteria, it is participate in direct metabolism. These are the essential elements. essential elements. These are the essential elements. Which elements follow the any one of the criteria? Any one of the criteria, that is called essential elements. That is called essential elements. Broadly, essential elements are revealed that 17 types essential elements are followed the three criteria. That is divided into utilization of plants, macronutrients, micronutrients. Macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients. Macronutrients. That is 10 millimole kg inverse dry matter. Above the 10 millimole kg inverse dry matter of plant is called macronutrients or macro elements. Macronutrients are macro elements. These are CHO, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, Mg, Ca, S, magnesium, calcium, sulfur. These are the macro elements. These are the macro elements. These are the macro elements. Micro elements. Micro elements are micronutrients. Ten millimole kg inverse. Below the, above the, below the 10 millimole kg inverse dry matter in plants, that is called micronutrients. Micronutrients. That is boron, calcium, magnesium, manganese, molybdenum, zinc, nickel, copper. These are the micronutrients. These are the micronutrients. Latest reveal, nickel is the micronutrients. Micronutrients. Some beneficial aspects also present. Sodium, cobalt, silicon, selenium. There is a beneficial aspects are present. Cobalt, selenium, and sodium. These are the beneficial aspects. Beneficial nutrients. Essential nutrients broadly divided into four categories. First category, structural elements. Structural components, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. These are the structural components in plants. Structural components in plants. Second one, energy related. Elements, magnesium and phosphorus. Magnesium is central atom of chlorophyll pigments. It is participate in ATP. Phosphorus is present in ATP. Third one, enzyme, inhibitor, or activator. Activator. RUBP plus and PEP, ribulose bisphosphate, phosphoenol pyruvic acid, the enzyme activator of magnesium, and alcohol dehydrogenase, Zn, alcohol dehydrogenase, Zn is activator. Last one, osmoregulatory function. Regulatory function, that is K plus and Cl minus participate in osmoregulatory functions. K plus and Cl minus participate in osmoregulatory functions. K plus pump theory, that is example of K plus pump theory. Essential elements, broadly 4 categories. Structural elements, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and energy related, magnesium and phosphorus, enzyme inhibitor and activator, RUBP and PEP activator, magnesium, alcohol dehydrogenase, Zn, osmoregulatory functions, K plus and Cl minus. These are the 4 categories of mineral nutrients. Deficiency symptoms. Some elements supply to the retarded or stop the plants appearance has some deficiency symptoms. Which element is low level or absence? This plant is criteria of essential elements. This element is deficiency is appearance in plants. It is called critical concentration. Which element is low level in plants? That element is called critical concentration. Above the critical concentration, there is a toxic effect. Below the critical concentration, there is a deficiency symptoms present in the plant. Water and minerals and nutrient solutions are supplied to the soil. Nutrients supplied to the soil to plants. Some nutrients are absent in soil. Deficiency symptoms appear in any plant part. The deficiency symptoms are appearance in plants. That is wilting, stunted growth, necrosis. That is the deficiency symptoms. Element pass to the soil to plant. The plant growth is stunted. Any structural changes in plants, Element is retarded or stop. Element is retarded or stop. The plant shape is changed or structure is changed. The appearance of symptoms is called deficiency symptoms. Some elements are mobilized, some are immobilized elements. Some elements are immobilized. Some sulfur and calcium mobilized elements. Growing plants. Senescence leaves. In growing plants, senescence leaves. This is the older leaf. This is the older leaf. This is the younger leaf. In senescent part of the leaf, elements are mobilized and immobilized. Mobilized elements deficiency symptoms appearance in older parts. Older parts. Deficiency symptoms appearance in older parts. In immobilized elements, deficiency symptoms appearance in younger parts. That is, younger leaves are growing regions. Growing region. Because it is present in older leaves, not transported into younger leaves. Mobilized elements transfer to the younger leaves, so deficiency symptoms appearance in older parts. Deficiency symptoms present in older parts. Older parts. These are the deficiency symptoms. Some plants exhibit some deficiency symptoms. For example, these are the deficiency symptoms. Chlorosis. This is chlorosis, necrosis, inhibition of cell division, delay flowering. Delay flowering. First one, chlorosis. That means yellowing loss of the chlorophyll. Yellowing or loss of the chlorophyll. This is deficiency symptoms appearance in several macro and micronutrients. Macro and micronutrients. Nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, manganese and molybdenum. Molybdenum. And next one, necrosis, death of the tissue. Death of the tissue. The symptoms appearance in potassium, magnesium, calcium and copper. Inhibition of cell division. Inhibition of cell division. Inhibition of cell division. Low level or lack of, that is, symptoms appearance in lack of nitrogen, nitrogen, potassium and sulfur, molybdenum. Delay flowering, low concentration of nitrogen, sulfur and molybdenum. These are the deficiency symptoms. These are the reasons. These is the elements. Some elements causes number of diseases. For example, nitrogen causes 3 types of deficiencies: chlorosis, inhibition of cell division and delay flowering. Delay flowering. K plus. K plus, chlorosis, inhibition of cell division. Inhibition of cell division. Sulfur. Sulfur. Chlorosis, inhibition of cell division, delay flowering. Molted leaf. Citrus, element is zinc. Dieback, plant citrus, copper. Hot rot, beetroot, plant boron. Whiptail, cauliflower, molybdenum. Bronzing disease, legumes, chlorine. Mouse hair, pecan, nickel. These are the only one element of one disease of symptoms appearance. Tomorrow I will explain about the nitrogen mechanism and nitrogen cycle.